Hello and welcome to this video. I am William, a computerized voice. In this tutorial you will learn how to move from Proxmox Mail Gateway version 4 to version 5 via backup and restore. It is possible to restore the rule database and the statistics. First, create a backup from the old Proxmox version 4, and then copy it to the newly installed Proxmox Mail Gateway 5.0, and restore it. The old Mail Gateway in this demo is running on 192.168.5.19. There are some custom rules. And of course, some statistics we want to migrate. The new Mail Gateway will be running on 192.168.6.6 and is a fresh install from the ISO. As you might want to include the statistics in the backup, you'll have to create the backup via the command line. Connect to the old Proxmox Mail Gateway via SSH with the root account. Use the following command to create the backup. We'll post the command in the video description below. It is very important that the file starts with the command pmg-backup_*. So don't forget the underscore. Now copy this file with SCP to the new Mail Gateway. As soon as the backup file is on the new Mail Gateway, start the restore. As the system configuration is different on Proxmox version 5, you can only select the rule database and the statistics, and do the restore. To verify migration, check the statistics. And the rule system. As a last step, you have to go through the basic configuration steps. We'll show them quickly here. You can find a detailed step-by-step tutorial in the video Installation and Configuration of Proxmox Mail Gateway. So, first set the default relay host. In the demo this is the IP of my internal email server. Then I add two email domains. The SMTP port settings are very important. By default, the port for incoming emails is 25. This means the external port is 25. And finally add a DNS blacklist provider. DNS blacklists are one of the most powerful anti-spam weapons. In this demo, I'll use one of the most trusted DNS blacklists, which is Spamhaus. So I enter zen.spamhaus.org. These are the first steps to get Proxmox Mail Gateway running. Now you can send your incoming email traffic to your Proxmox Mail Gateway by sending the SMTP traffic from your firewall to the IP of the gateway. Send a test email and check the logs via the Message Tracking Center. That's all for the migration from Proxmox Mail Gateway version 4 to 5. You can now download the ISO and start with your own installation. If you need help, search the forum or get a support subscription. We hope you'll enjoy working with Proxmox Mail Gateway 5. Thanks for watching.